Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Aliul Islam. Today we will learn about SQL commands. There are 5 types of SQL commands like DDL, Data Definition Language. DDL changes the structure of the table like creating a table, deleting a table, alter a table, etc. It is auto-committed. DML, Data Manipulation Language. DML commands are used to modify the database. It is not auto-committed. DCL, Data Control Language. Commands are used to grant and take back automatically from any database user. TCL, Transaction Control Language. It is used with DML commands like insert, update, delete. It is automatically committed. DQL, Data Query Language. It is used to bring the data from the database. Create. It is used to create a new table in the database. That means create a new table. Alter. It is used to alter the structure of the database. Drop. It is used to delete both of the structure and record stored in the table. Truncate. It is used to delete all the rows from the table and free the space containing the table. Insert. It is used to insert data into the row of the table. Update. Update command is used to update or modify the values of a column in the table. That means updates data in a database. Delete. It is used to remove one or more row from the table. That means deletes data from a table or database. Grant. Grant is used to give user access privilege to a database. That means user access. Revoke. It is used to take back permission from the user. Commit. It is used to save all the transaction to the database. Rollback. Commands is used to undo transaction that have not already been saved to the database. Save point. It is used to roll the transaction back to a certain point without rolling back the entire transaction. Select. Select is extract data from a database and condition described by where clause. Thank you very much. If you enjoy this video, please like, comments and share and subscribe my channel.